my party president, the acting president of National Unity Platform, to come and address the nation. People.
Awo tubadde Dokolo nga bannakibiina kya National Unity Platform bali mu kunominatinga omuntu waabwe agenda okubakwatira kaadi mu kulonda okugenda okuba okwokuddamu okunoonya omubaka omukyala ow'ebitundu by'e Dokolo. Tujjukira nti waliyo omukyala eyaliyo yakafa ebuvuddeko nga balina okuddamu okujjuza ekifo ky'omukyala oyo n'olw'ensonga eyo. Naye niyo Peter lutumidde mwana era nayo eronze omuntu agenda okugikwatira bendera kuvuganya okugenda okubeera okwakasa mmeeme nga babadde mu nominations z'omukyala oyo era NUP bawanzeeko eddusu tukakasa era akalulu bwe kitaabeere ki ajja kawuuta buva nga bwe kize kibeera ebitundu ebyenjawulo ebibadde biddibwamu okulonda NUP babadde beeriisa nkuuli naye olw'okuba nti abaliwo abatufuga balina emmundu nga bagezaako okufutya nka NUP ne balangiriramu abaabwe suubire nti kuno ate si bwe kinaafaananako.
So at this juncture, in honor of my party, I invite my party president, the acting president of National Unity Platform, to come and address the nation. People power! People power! People power! Kunga Dokolo kunga! Kunga Dokolo kunga! Kunga Honorable Harriet kunga! Chagulanyi kunga! Kunga Northern Uganda kunga! Apoyo mate? Aliye Dr. Zedriga Lina waru?
Nye na erokobono.
Mutambuze video president alira hivyo kati.
The world is watching us. On behalf of the National Unity Platform Party, on behalf of the President, His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu, who has been given many names, who right now is out of the country, but is watching us. On behalf of the team and the entire Nup management, who are all watching us and following us from Western to Central to West Nile to Karamoja, where they actually buried one of our supporters. Kabong, our coordinator, a very person, was just gunned down. Today he's being buried. And we take some 1 minute in silence, in solidarity. Eternal rest grant unto him, O Lord, and let your perpetual light shine upon him. May he rest in peace. Amen. Kunga Dokolo kunga! Kunga Dokolo kunga! Team, we are here celebrating the successful nomination of the National Unity Platform Party flag bearer. We should not cover her. Honorable Harriet Ageno. She is right there. She is right here. We unveiled her officially. You have heard from her. What do you want to hear from her? Our party, which is the National Unity Platform Party, stand the observance of human rights, constitutionalism, and on a number human dignity.
Mutambuze video president ali mukwogera naye temwagala atambuza video mufaaki nini.
Our president, self-made from a very humble background like all of us, including her.
And Yakobi Pashu Akobi Pashu to Akobi Arabo Pashu to Akobi
From ghetto.
We are coming to ghetto.
Very passionate. So it is the party with the young. It stands for solidarity. It celebrates diversity. We believe in delivering a new Uganda.
And
we are setting that right because Dokolo is waiting for us. That first member of parliament on Nup ticket from northern Uganda. I see it happen.
Making sure president president will be white.
Going to parliament is not like inheriting a cultural seat.
When the parliament
that is why we need a new chapter. We need to close the old, my generation. We need to start the new, her generation. You have the power in your hands. You have the power in your hands. Please, vote with your heart and not with your stomach. What goes to the stomach goes to the toilet. The village where I come from, there are even no toilet. It goes to the bush. We should end that. We need an inclusive leader, a very, very transparent leader, and a woman of values. And connected to the grassroots and to the grassroots. We are not going to speak much today. We launch and confirm to the whole of the world that yes, she is still nominated. We are all witnesses. Our campaign has been launched today on the day the Muslims have begun their fasting. We all fast, we all pray, we have seen and fallen short of the glory of God. Even for us Christians, it is the time for Lent. For the 2 days of nomination, Wednesday we are going to be doing the reconciliation for the program, and we are beginning the real campaign on Thursday. We only have 7 days. We need each one of you to be our voices and faces out there. You are the stakeholders. And we need each one of you also to hold us accountable and guide us. The press asked my candidate, what are you going to do for the people of Dokolo? As a disciple, in my mind, I say, what would the people of Dokolo, within her parliamentary role, want her and her party to do, and do it immediately? It's not about us. It's about all of us. Kunga Dokolo kunga. Kunga Dokolo kunga.
Quando usciti un rituero, e io chiami o parli, io che non avevo.
The generation before us have created.
A porto which I
study here in Dokolo.
go Yana, I was like, I mean, one.
Where we value the humanity. Where we condemn the thieves and the robbers. Because they are robbing your future, the future of the unborn. That must stop. Today, we came to witness this together. We are now holding this until we vote and write his story and her story.
Today, one of them moko. If you follow the Jahawat and you that what and yet that you want to join the book. Book come out in you want to join Georgia Point on Harriet and Harriet to go in National Unity Platform.
People power.
Power, power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Power, power.
Kunga Dokolo Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Dokolo Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Honorable Harriet Kunga. Kunga Baba Kunga.
Kunga.
Apoyo Mate.
Boy, Mate.
Madam President, I wish to introduce you somebody very important. Can you hurry? Let's calm down. Come and say hello to Madam President. Is very grateful to touch your hand to receive him. He's a new member and we are going to give him time. Thank you for coming.